touch my plant. Welcome back, Tony Runners. This your boy Tony, and I'm back with another video. I'll make room for the plants soon. Don't touch my plants. That's all I hear when I buy plants. I'm not gonna listen. Welcome back, everybody. No, I ain't. No. Oh, I'm making some baked chicken tonight. Okay, nothing too fancy, nothing too extravagant. Okay, I got a chicken that was like $10. Okay, got this bird for $10. Okay, and I'm also going to make some yellow rice. What you do? Look, that's why I told you don't touch my plants. And I also got some Xanaran's yellow rice. All right, I love Xanaran's yellow rice. We're gonna get this bird cooking. We're gonna rub some butter on it, and we got some chicken rub. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope everybody had a great, awesome weekend. And let's get. She's staring at me. I looked over there. Let's get the cooking. Hey, really? Throwing little roses at me and shit. What? What you do?
It fell off. Cut the camera.
No. First step, we're gonna rub this bad boy down with some butter, alright? It never sticks when I do it. When I be seeing people on TV, on YouTube, buttering their chicken and it's sticking, and it just slides right off when I do it. Look, it slides right off. It's a little, it's a little damp, but all right. The butter was sticking mostly to my hands than it was the chicken. All right, I'm gonna use some of this chicken rub. This is really good. If anybody want to try it, I got this from Giant. It's like $4. It's really good. I'm gonna throw some of this chicken rub on here. Got some seasoning oil. Y'all know I use a lot of seasoning oil, but I use it a lot, but I don't use a lot of seasoning oil. Well, I don't. I like seasoning oil, I just don't use a lot of it.
I don't believe it.
All right, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw a little bit of chicken broth in there. Chicken broth makes anything taste good. All right, I'm gonna throw some black pepper. Let me turn this around so y'all can see. We're just gonna throw it up in the bun. Throw it in the bun. Okay. Throw some seasoning oil inside. Chicken. Alright, now we're going to go with the aluminum foil and wrap this bad boy up.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, my chicken is almost done. I'm just going to start the rice right now because this Xanaran's rice takes 25 minutes to cook. 25 minutes. Alright, we're gonna get this rice going. "25 minutes for the Xanaran rice." My family is getting so tired of rice. I am ricing. That's the timer on the oven for the chicken. But my family has riced out. I love rice. They are tired. They used to eat rice as much as I did, but they're tired of rice. So one more time, rice for dinner. Xanaran. Xanaran rice. Alright guys, I literally just took the chicken out the oven. That bad boy smells so good. Woo! Voila.
Yeah, boy.
Y'all know that chicken look good. Alright, and we got the rice. It's done. Take that off the burner. But it's off, but it's done. So the Xanarans is done. Now I just gotta make everybody plates, and I'll give y'all a taste test in a minute. Alright, let me show y'all how juicy this meat is. Look at this. You cannot go wrong. Look at that. That is juicy. That is juice. Juicy. Look at that. Guys, I'm done. This is my plate. That's gravy and the juice that was in the chicken and all that. But I get some rice and some chicken. It's like, all right. That's good. Alright guys, I'm about to turn this up. Peace.
Perfect.